The American flamingo, Phenicopterus ruber, also known as the Caribbean flamingo, is a large species of flamingo native to the West Indies, northern South America, including the Galapagos Islands and the Yucatan Peninsula. It is closely related to the greater flamingo, Phenicopterus rosus, and the Chilean flamingo, Phenicopterus chilensis, but taxonomically distinct. Though previously grouped with the greater flamingo, modern ornithological consensus, for example, from the American and British ornithologists' unions, separates it due to genetic and morphological differences. This flamingo is the only species naturally inhabiting North America and parts of the neotropical realm. Its vibrant pink coloration results from its diet, which is rich in carotenoid pigments. Adapted to shallow saline and brackish waters, it feeds on algae